Fast, reliable, intelligent. We've extended the SmartLase family to include the fast and powerful C600 60-watt CO2 laser coater. The SmartLase C600 gives you the power to do more. The SmartLase C600 from Markem-Imaje delivers high-quality, chemical-free, permanent coating on PET bottles, glass, labels, flexible films, inked paper cartons, and many more substrates, all while lowering your operating expenses. With the ever-increasing production speeds and code complexity, you can trust the C600 has the power to take the application speed to the next level. The advanced SmartLase C600's power delivers unsurpassed code quality and print efficiency, printing 2,100 characters per second and up to 160,000 bottles per hour. At the forefront of laser coating technology, we proudly offer a solution with high-performance digital galvanometers that are driven by a unique algorithm. This unique scribing method enables high-quality, consistent codes that are printed much faster than conventional vector lasers in both static and dynamic applications, including 2D barcodes and graphics. The SmartLase C600 offers a large 10-inch touchscreen interface that's easy to operate and is so intuitive that we've been able to increase operator efficiency by up to 20%. And our solution is Industry 4.0 ready. The SmartLase C600 communicates via industrial protocols such as Ethernet IP, Profinet, and NG-PCL, ensuring seamless integration with the most complex plant automation and manufacturing systems. Minimize waste, drive efficiency, and achieve compliance. Message coding, database management, and job creation has never been easier. We care about the environment and your sustainability goals. Laser coaters require no ink or other consumables, which makes them inherently sustainable. And with the SmartLase C600, external air or water cooling is not required. This all adds up to lower TCO and extended lifetime in industrial environments thanks to our intelligent fan control. You also need a reliable solution that will operate in some of the harshest production environments, so we provide IP55 total ingress protection and is designed with safety in mind, meeting the most stringent safety standards with e-stop and interlock circuits. Power up your production and bring down your costs with the SmartLase C600, an intelligent choice for your smart factory.